If you're watching this, God has a message for you about your finances because He is about to restore them and then some. Your hands are going to touch so much money this year, and I hope that you start to notice the money trickle in from this moment on because it really is going to be a drip, and then it's going to turn into a burst, and then it's going to overflow. And it's going to restore the drought that you've been experiencing for the last, I don't know, maybe your whole life, but in particular in the last 6 years. I know that the economy has been crazy. I know that we've gone through pandemics and crazy world circumstances that I won't talk about or get into, but it's all been so taxing, literally. And so I want you to know that all of this suffering is going to turn around. Like, it's coming to an end, and money is literally switching hands. We are experiencing the greatest wealth transfer in history. And so the means of people being so greedy was just to hoard wealth so God could simply snap his fingers and put it into the hands of those who do good. And so I want you to expect like a windfall or just lots of money coming in. Start noticing where it already exists in your life and the improvements in your finances, because this is the start of something big and it's going to happen very quickly. So I want you to believe in that. I want you to believe in sudden shifts and debt being written off, or sums of money being sent to you through a check or maybe a random deposit or a windfall of some sort or a contract or a deal or somebody wanting to fund your mission. Be open to the idea of that, and that's when you will start to notice that these things already exist in your current reality. So that is how your hands are already going to start touching so much money. It is literally almost at your fingertips, in the palm of your hand. So look in places that money might be. I want you to look in an old purse or an old suitcase, in your couch cushions, in your vehicle, in your backpack, wherever money might be. I want you to investigate and make a tally, because it's really going to open your eyes to how much abundance always exists when you think that you're broke or you don't have any money or that you're constrained. And this is a fun like experiment because it really opens your eyes and opens your mind and switches that scarcity mindset into an abundance mindset. And that unblocks your limitations. And I want you to know that God always wants to spoil you. As a child of God, He always wants to treat you to good things. He wants your life to prosper. He wants you to be the heir that you are, and you are so worthy. So He wants to cloak you in like golden robes and gemstones. So when we stop thinking that we're unworthy or that it'll never happen or that we're meant to be broke and work for the rest of our lives until we're dead, these are all just things that you put up as blockages. And once you clear that away by understanding how an abundance mindset is something you cultivate, starting with little seeds like this, and then God will release the floodgates and it will restore your finances and your money will come back multiplied. I promise you that. So I want you to claim this. I want you to put, Amen, I am a millionaire, or I am an heir of God. So whatever resonates with you, put that in the comments, claim it, hit that like button. And if you aren't following by now, hit that subscribe button, because I put out new videos almost every day to help you on your journey and help you grow closer to God. If you want a structured way to do that, I highly suggest you join the Temple Within, my online sanctuary. We walk the righteous path together, hand in hand, grow closer to God, and we do it outside of religious dogma. So I hope that you'll join me, because there's a 7-day free trial, and otherwise it's only $5 a month, and you will learn so much, and you will learn kingdom wealth principles inside of that as well, that'll help you with this abundance mindset. So I hope that you'll join me. It's linked in the description as well as the pinned comment, including other ways to support this channel. Otherwise, I hope you share this with others to help spread the blessings, start planting those seeds in other people's minds, and do the good work of the Lord. So I would really appreciate if you did that, but God would appreciate it more. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.